Hello guys, your DC guide here. Today I am going to show you some of the uncommon shortcut keys of your Windows. That you might not know. Before we start, if you like this topic, tutorials related to technology, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell icon to get more updates of our new uploads. And now, first, I want to thank you to all my subscribers, I'm so blessed to have you guys. Thank you so much. Now, let's begin. First, how to create new virtual desktop and switch between the two virtual desktop. Just press on Control, Win key, and the letter D. And for switching, except of letter D, press on the navigation arrows. And also to switch back to the previous desktop. The next one is the Win key plus letter M on your keyboard. This combo will minimize all your display app or software on your desktop. Example, you have multiple application on your desktop which displayed on your desktop. Kinda confusing sometimes if you have multiple app in display. This key is kinda awesome. And our next combination key is to display two app in half screen. Sometimes when we are doing some project, like example, we have to open two app at the same time, we can do split screen or view to simply navigate the two apps. First, right click to that app, then press the window key plus the left and right arrow navigation key to display either to the right or to the left. We'll place first this first app to the left, then the rest of the app is here. Just click it, then it will place to the right. This is it. See? And we'll proceed to the next combination is to show your recent application. Just simply pressing the Control, Alt, and Tab to show your running app. And this is it, your recent application. There is another combination you can use to show your recent app or your running application by pressing the window key and tab. And here it is, your running app. Using this combination, you will see also your virtual desktop you have created, the desktop 1, 2, and 3. Depends on how many you created. And here you have the option to close the virtual desktop or rename your virtual desktop view. And that's all for that combination. The next one is sometimes we're having trouble with our computer, such as sometimes our computer is freezing and not responding because of your computer cannot handle the multitasking. If your computer is not responding, your mouse pointer is not moving. The next combination will avoid you to restart your computer. To do this, you need to open the task manager. To do this, press the Ctrl, Shift, and Skip to open the task manager. Now, you have the option to close the closing app. The next combination is the window key plus letter E. This combination is to open your file explorer. The next combination is the window key plus the print screen. This combination is to screenshot your desktop display. The screen will blink as you click the combination. It will be saved directly to your file. I will show the file here. There is also another way to do the screenshot. You can do this by pressing window key plus W. Then you will see this one. From here, you can also edit the image. The next combination is the window key plus the A. This is to open the action center here at the right side. The next combination is the window key plus letter C. To open Cortana, your online assistance. You'll just need to sign in to use this feature. And now, click the window key plus R to open the run the application or any application quickly. The last combination is good. Sometimes you have project that you don't want to share or seen by the others at home. It is the best to know this combination. By pressing Window key plus L to lock your desktop user and or to switch desktop user. And that's it for today. I hope you like this video. Please leave a thumbs up or comment down below your thoughts or topic suggestion. Once again, please don't forget to subscribe. Click the notification bell icon for you to get updated on my next video. See ya!